Hola estudiantes, welcome to Spanish 121 overview for chapter number 1. This is a short video to introduce you to the content that you're going to find under chapter 1. We're going to learn about la familia, los amigos, family and friends, how to describe family and friends as far as personality and also as far as appearance. And regarding grammar, we're going to learn about the AR verbs in the present tense, regular verbs, and then also 3 irregular verbs, which are ser, estar, and tener, which in English would be to be, and the verb to have. Okay, so let's get started. I suggest that you go to the full book at the beginning before you start anything on this chapter and go to Capitulo 1, and then there is a summary of what you're going to learn in this chapter. It is important that you look at it, look at the vocabulary. You have everything on one place. Some useful verbs, physical characteristics. We're going to learn about colors as well. All right, and if you go to the next page, we have a summary of the grammar. We have the regular verbs, an explanation, the noun-adjective agreement. So if the noun is masculine, the adjective should be masculine as well. If the noun is feminine, then the adjective should be feminine. Also, you have to look if it's singular or plural. And then we have verbs ser and estar with adjective. You have the uses of ser and the uses of estar, and the verb tener, to have. You have to memorize these 3 verbs because they are irregular and they don't follow any rule, any grammar rule. Then at the end we have some important question words that you need to know. Like I said, these 2 pages that I show you is a summary of what you're going to be learning throughout the chapter. Remember that each lesson, Lección 5, Lección 6, and so on, you start with the ready, then you have learn it, and then you have 2 chances to practice what you've learned, okay? And that is for la familia, and for physical features, for personality traits. Okay, so usually you have one section where you learn the material and then you practice it. All right, but I just thought it would be helpful for you to see an overview of the whole chapter. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much, and have a great day.